Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 useful steps on how to fix taskbar which is not working in your Windows. Okay, let's start. First is you need to press Ctrl Alt Delete key together to open Task Manager. So once you open your Task Manager, just simply expand it and look for Windows Explorer or Task Manager. So in some cases, you can find it under these apps or in the background processes. So once you find your Task Manager or Windows Explorer, just do a right click and restart it by clicking in Task. So once you or the moment you click in Task, just close everything and then restart your computer. And then after you reopen your computer, check if the taskbar is working. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's go to the second step, which is to open for settings by pressing Windows and I key together and go to Windows Update. Here you need to make sure that your machine is in the latest version because there are some cases that once they update their computer to the latest one, those Windows Explorer will be restart and issues like taskbar not working will be fixed. And let's say if it is doesn't fixed yet, then let's proceed to the third and last and important step, which is to go for personalization. Here you need to scroll down and then go for taskbar and then scroll down again and then go to this taskbar behaviors. And here under the taskbar alignment, you need to make sure that this is not marked checked. I mean, there are some people that they accidentally turn this on. Okay? So those are the 3 useful steps that you could do in your computer to fix your taskbar which is not working. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.